All right, to draw a Tweety bird, you're gonna need a pencil, an eraser, a marker, orange and yellow crayon, and a blue one for coloring. All right, we're gonna start off with his head. You're gonna imagine a circle. You know, and when you're ready, you're gonna press down and make your circle. And Tweety has a big head, so, and you can see that mine's is, it's okay if you make more than, it doesn't have to be perfect, more than one line. All right, and then on the bottom, we're gonna add his cheeks. So his head has really big cheeks, so you're gonna draw a curved line and a curved line on this side. Try to make it symmetrical. And then we're gonna connect those curved lines at the bottom. If you like, you can erase this line. All right, now his eyes. Oh, let's start with his beak first. It's gonna help us center his picture. So you're gonna find the middle over here, and you're gonna draw a oval. And then you can draw a smile inside, and you can draw some curved lines for his smile. All right, we're gonna draw two more curved lines for his eyes, and you're gonna imagine that line, like his cheek line. You're gonna draw a curved line right there. And over here, I'm gonna imagine another curved line. And we can imagine his eyes. So you're gonna warm up, and then when you're ready, you're gonna do a curved line and go back up. Make an oval. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Sometimes, they're bigger on one side. Try to make it as best you can. All right, his eyelashes, they go up, 2, 3, and they go towards the outside. 1, 2, 3, the outside. And we could give him a couple eyebrows. And let's give him 3 hairs. 1, 2, 3 hairs. All right, his eyes or his pupils are gonna be in the inside, so you're gonna draw a curved line inside. I'm just gonna shade it lightly so I know that to color it black, because he does have blue eyes. His iris, so you're gonna draw another curved line, just leave that one just the way it is. All right, let's draw his neck. We're gonna draw 2 short lines. And then we're gonna draw his body. So his body's gonna be a little bit smaller than his head. Well, a lot smaller. So he's gonna draw an oval, best as you can. All right, and then let's draw his arms. So I'm just gonna draw his arms going around like that. Gonna have 2 arms in the back. And then he has little legs, so we're gonna draw 2 little curved lines to start his legs. And let's draw one going down. It's gonna be bottom of his leg and foot. And then we're gonna start the other part of his leg. I got big toes, so you're gonna curve. And again, always try to imagine the shape before you draw it. And go out. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we can draw 1 toe, so 1 line in there. And then we can draw his tail. So let's draw his tail, which is just a curved line coming out from his bottom. And we can draw a little line here for his chest. All right, that's Tweety Bird. And again, I'm gonna trace the lines that I like. And if there's a line you don't like, don't trace it, because I might make his head a little bit bigger. I might fix his cheek, and I might not trace some of these lines in here. So again, this is your time where you can fix it. All right, so I did my best to trace most of my lines, and like I said, I adjusted some of these lines, like his cheek. I did not trace the lines inside of here. I'm gonna use my eraser to erase that, and then after that, I am gonna start coloring it. So I'm still learning how to use this camera, so I didn't record by accident my coloring process. So what I did was I went really lightly and I colored it all yellow, then I pressed hard and I got these darker shadows underneath here. I also did the same thing for the eyes. I pressed dark and I went really light on the blue. And same thing with the orange. I pressed really hard on some parts and I went lighter. Like over here on the foot, I went really dark on the bottom and I went lightly on the top. So dark, 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 make a shadow, and then lightly on the top. And of course, last thing I did was sign it. But I hope you had fun drawing Tweety Bird.